Hi guys, I'm Amy from Camping Companions, and you may not know this, but you can save money on your camping registration fees. I'm here to walk you through it step by step. Let's begin. We renew our registration online at newyorkstatedmv.gov. As you can see, our registration expired on the 31st of December. But what you don't know, and what they don't tell you, is that in New York State, you don't have to turn in your license plates. And so for every month you don't register it, you're saving that much money. Your vehicle is sitting in the driveway and you're not using it. All you have to do is register it before you need to go on the road with it, and DMV will charge you a prorated dollar amount. So you can see here on our 2018 registration that they were going to charge us $143 for a 1-year registration. So if you take the $143 and divide that by the number of months in a year, which is 12, you can see the average cost per month is just under $12. So we don't register our camper until May, and at $12 a month, and we're not registering it until May, the 5th month, we'll save roughly $60 a year on camping registration fees. So I hope I taught you something today. Camping is expensive enough. If you can save a few dollars on registration fees, I say go for it. I hope I helped you do that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification so that you see any upcoming videos we have. I hope to see you out on the road. Happy camping.